Zorp the alien zoomed through the stars in his shiny silver spaceship. But then, with a fizzle and a pop, the ship went quiet. It drifted down, 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 and landed with a soft thump in a field full of tall, green blades. "Where am I?" Zorp beeped, his big, curious eye blinking. A little red bug with black spots crawled up a blade of grass. "You're on Earth," she chirped. "My ship is out of power," Zorp sighed. "How do these green things have so much energy?" The ladybug giggled. "They eat sunlight. It's called photosynthesis. They use the sun's light to make their own food." Suddenly, tiny drops of water began to fall from the sky. Plink, plonk, Zorp hid under a big leaf. "What is this?" he wondered. A nearby frog croaked. "It's just rain." The sun warms up water in rivers and lakes. It floats up as a vapor, turns into clouds, and then falls back down for us to drink. Zorp stepped out from under the leaf, but his foot slipped on a wet rock. Whoa! He tumbled down a small hill, landing softly in the mud. "Why did I fall down and not up?" he beeped. A wiggly worm poked its head out of the dirt. "That's gravity. It's a giant, invisible force that pulls everything toward the center of the earth." Zorp shivered a little. He let out a small beep, and a puff of white cloud came out of his mouth. "What was that?" he gasped. A spider weaving a web nearby explained. "That's your warm breath turning into a little cloud, a gas, just like the solid rock you slipped on and the liquid rain that fell." A beautiful tweet, tweet, tweet sound filled the air. Zorp looked up to see a blue bird singing on a branch. "Your song is lovely. How does it get to my ears?" he asked. The bird puffed out its chest. "My song travels through the air in invisible wiggles called sound waves." Zorp wandered over to a bright red flower. "This color is amazing. Why isn't it green like the grass?" A fuzzy bee buzzed by. "Sunlight is made of all colors, like a rainbow. This flower soaks up all the colors except for red. It bounces the red light back to your eye." Zorp watched the bee fly from flower to flower and saw the bird swoop down to catch the worm. "Everyone is connected," he beeped. A wise old owl hooted from a tree. "Indeed, it's an ecosystem. The plants, the bugs, the animals. We all need each other to live." Zorp felt a thump, thump, thump inside his chest. He was so excited by everything he had learned. He realized that even his own body was a scientific marvel. His heart was a powerful pump, sending energy all through his body, just like his spaceship needed energy. Sunlight for the plants, which feeds the bugs, which feeds the birds. It all starts with the sun, Zorp beeped happily. He rushed to his ship, pulled out a special solar panel, and soaked up the sun's energy. With a whir and a zoom, his ship lifted off. "Thank you, Earth," he called. "I'll be back to learn more."